In other words, he's gonna see a tug of war, okay?
You teamed up with the Eight Tails? You the Jinchuriki of the Nine Tails? How pitiful!
Don't get caught up in his hate! Use your strong will!
Like I thought, I'm sitting still, so I can use Sage Mode. Sage Art! Massive! Rasengan! Gotcha! Wind Style! Rasengan again! Now hurry!
Just give it up. You will never be able to control my power.
You'll never be able. Just shut up!
The Nine Tails' hatred is even greater than I imagined.
Go away! And don't come back!
No, it's all right, Naruto.
Don't tell me. Yeah, you bet! You're the Nine Tails' true form!
Wrong, you know! That Minato, he didn't say anything to you? Anyway, that's right, I'm your...
I've wanted to meet you for so long now, Mom.
The Nine Tails transformation stopped.
But first things first, we need to tame the Nine Tails.
Kushina!
My chakra can't suppress the Nine Tails for much longer. So go get him while you have the chance.
All right!
I can keep going, you know.
Sage Mode.
You're done, Sage Art! Massive Rasengan!